Today we are going to study the classification of hydraulic turbines. Hydraulic turbines are machines that convert the energy of water into mechanical energy. These turbines are widely used in power generation, especially in hydroelectric power plants. Hydraulic turbines are classified based on different parameters such as the type of energy at the inlet, the direction of flow through the runner, the head at the inlet, and the specific speed of the turbine. First, let us look at classification based on the type of energy available at the inlet. There are two types: impulse turbines and reaction turbines. In an impulse turbine, the water enters the turbine in the form of kinetic energy only. The water jet strikes the blades and rotates the turbine. In a reaction turbine, the water has both pressure energy and kinetic energy. The turbine runs fully filled with water, and rotation happens due to pressure difference as well as flow. Now, moving to the second classification based on the direction of flow through the runner. There are four types: tangential flow turbine, radial flow turbine, axial flow turbine, and mixed flow turbine. In a tangential flow turbine, water strikes the runner tangentially. In a radial flow turbine, water flows in a radial direction, either from outside to inside or inside to outside. In an axial flow turbine, water flows parallel to the axis of rotation. In a mixed flow turbine, water enters in radial direction and leaves in axial direction. Next, we classify turbines based on the head at the inlet. There are three types: high head turbines, medium head turbines, and low head turbines. High head turbines are used when water is available at a high elevation. Medium head turbines are used when the water head is moderate. Low head turbines are used when the water head is low but the flow rate is high. Finally, we classify turbines based on specific speed. There are three types: low specific speed turbines, medium specific speed turbines, and high specific speed turbines. Low specific speed turbines are suitable for high head and low flow. Medium specific speed turbines are used for moderate conditions. High specific speed turbines are used for low head and high flow. So this is how hydraulic turbines are classified based on different parameters. Understanding these classifications helps in selecting the right turbine for efficient performance. Thank you.